with election night, I'm staying up late. I'm probably drinking at least one bottle of wine. Difference a day makes. Woo-wee. It is only about between 55 and 60 degrees, north wind blowing 15 to 20 miles an hour. Much colder than yesterday. But I have done my civic duty for the day. I have gone to vote. Now it's time to cut some soybeans. I should finish cutting today. With this wind blowing, they should cut nicely. Finally, they should be pretty darn dry as far as the vine goes, and they should move through the combine easily. So let's see if we can finish cutting these soybeans today. I just climbed up to the top of the bin to see how much room is left. It's just about full. I can probably get another 100, 150 bushels in there if I need to, but I think, unfortunately, what is left, the truck is going to hold, so I won't have to dump any in the bin. I'll just take this load to Purdue in the morning, probably. Man, wasn't I disappointed when I woke up this morning. Thought I was going to be a Powerball winner, but no. They didn't even draw the numbers last night. Some kind of BS answer about a delay over security. Yeah, I'm sure the Democrats were trying to steal the winning number, so that's why they had to delay it. Damn Democrats, they'll steal anything from you. But finally, this morning at some point, numbers were drawn. I had two numbers, so I win $4. I had the quick pick and one other number. Whoopee, $4. I guess it's back to work I go. I gotta earn my money. It's not gonna be given to me. Lots of dust going today. These things are really cutting nice. Would you look at that? A darn stone up on the platform. Oh, that's a big one too. This kind of looks like the Dust Bowl of the 30s, doesn't it? Oh, now I can see again. Damn it, another one. At least those rocks keep me from getting lazy and give me a little bit of exercise. So I'm not just sitting here eating and getting fatter. I did empty the rock trap this morning before I got started, and there was not a single rock in the rock trap. I was surprised over that. Maybe I'm not using the right bait for those rocks. I thought they liked cheese, and that's what I put in there, but cheese doesn't draw them to it. Maybe I need to try peanut butter. Speaking speaking of eating, have I got any snacks in here today? Oh man, I got nothing. What the? Oh, I got Tic Tacs. But I don't have any snacks. What the hell's going on? That's not good. Oh man, all this exercise I'm getting with these rocks and I don't have any snacks to replenish my body. That's not good at all. And the sad part is I was at the hardware store this morning and there were cupcakes on the counter because I think an employee had a birthday 2 days ago. So there were still some leftover cupcakes and I didn't get one. Now I'm mad. Hey, I wonder if my local hardware store delivers. You think if I called them and asked them to deliver some snacks, they would do that for me? I don't know. That's an idea. Oh man, things are looking up. Look what I found. Oh yeah, Pringles. I had a can over here behind the seat. I thought it was an empty can that I was saving for something, who knows what, nuts and bolts. I don't know. But no, when I picked the can up, just to verify, it was a full can. So, hey, life is getting better. Now, if we can only win all the elections we need to win tonight, life will be great. I am afraid, though, that Maryland is going to go socialist on us. The two people we have running for governor, the Democratic governor, he is a socialist, and I'm afraid that's the person we're going to end up electing. That's not good, but as long as we can flip the House and the Senate at the federal level, that will be okay. Okay, well, this is a good problem to have. The truck, it's not quite loaded, but it is not going to hold what I have left here. But that's okay, because the bin, I believe, has enough room for this here. I've got 2.5 rounds, so it's about 75 to 100 bushels left here. As I said, the truck won't hold it, but the bin will, so that's good. Would you look at this? The last pass, and it's a perfect width. Usually there's like 2 feet left that you got to go down the entire length of the field to finish. Not on this one, and I don't have GPS on this combine to make it work out like this. Hey, it's my lucky day. You know what that means? That means that all of the candidates I voted for are going to win. Huh. I can only hope. So yeah, here we are, the last pass of the 2022 soybean harvest. It took much longer than it should have to get to this point today, but hey, we are finishing with good weather. We left no tracks in the field. Rain is not coming in until Friday, so life is not too bad at the moment. If only I could have won that $2 billion, life would be much better. But I'll be happy if our next governor is Dan Cox. Alright, I've talked too much politics. Let's get back to what we're doing here, and that's cutting soybeans. Oh, hell. Of course, I get on the camera. The last pass, it wants to push up here. Ah, darn it. The auger on my combine will not reach the top of the grain bin, so I've got to dump the soybeans in this wagon, and then I will dump them into the bin. First world problems, I guess. All right, the bin is full. Yeah, I could have probably got another 100 bushels in, but no need to risk it and jam the auger up. Plus, I didn't have that many more to put in. The auger is down. I do have to climb to the top to put the tops on it. So soybeans are finished. I'll take this load of soybeans that's on the truck to Purdue tomorrow morning. Then I'll put the corn head on and finish shelling that 10 acres of corn I've got left. But hey, don't expect to see me early tomorrow morning, because with election night, I'm staying up late. I'm probably drinking at least one bottle of wine. I'm going to stay up as late as I can to see the results of this election. So I'm sure I'm going to be a little bit late tomorrow morning. Don't tell the boss. All right, that's the end of this show. So I'm going to say, see ya.